Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 13th match here in round 2. Slight change to the scores. We have Ardenne High on 31 points, Meadowbrook High on 24. By way of explanation, Meadowbrook picked up 2 points. The answer to the rarest of the 8 main blood types, AB minus, came and was accepted. And also the superlative adjective in the sentence, most interesting book I've ever read, most interesting came and was accepted. So they pick up 2 points. Ardenne lost a point for the specific blood type used as a universal donor. The judges heard type O plus before the negative came, and it is indeed type O negative. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you 1 step closer to winning the championship. We have 4 minutes on the clock, so we begin with Bible knowledge. At what place did the Israelites arrive only to find the water was too Meadowbrook? Mara. Too bitter to drink, correct. Biology. Specifically, what is the name of the large vein carrying deoxygenated blood into the heart from the lower body? Ardenne.
Into the heart.
Inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava.
Correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of Meadowbrook.
Irrational.
Irrational.
Correct. Local affairs. A visual question. Teams, look at the screen and identify this person, please. It's the mayor of Savannah Lamar, Bertel Moore. Chemistry, what is the formula for the nitrite ion? Meadowbrook.
NO2 minus.
Correct. Music and audio question teams. Listen to the clip and identify this singer, please. Ardenne High.
Feel with us.
That's right. General knowledge. Newfoundland was the last province to enter the Confederation in which country? Meadowbrook.
Canada.
That's right. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. Los niños están jugando. Meadowbrook.
Children are playing.
The children are playing.
That's right. Geography. The Wagwater River is located. Meadowbrook.
St. Mary.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. A visual question. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Ardenne.
Eddie Murphy.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name of the binary code representation of instructions that the CPU can decode and execute? Ardenne.
Machine language.
Machine code. Judges. History. Tenochtitlan was a major settlement. Meadowbrook.
Mexico.
Correct. Good. Mathematics. Determine the point at which the line y equals x plus 3 crosses the x-axis. Ardenne.
Minus 3, 0.
Correct. Physics. What is the kinetic energy of 1 kilogram of air moving at 15 meters per second? Meadowbrook.
15 squared.
15 joules.
112.5 joules. Sport, a visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Meadowbrook.
Draymond Green.
Incorrect. Andre Iguodala, professional basketballer. Jamaican heritage. Cola acuminate is the scientific name for a cola nut used by Jamaicans. Meadowbrook.
Busy.
That's correct. That's what we call it. French. What does the command attachez votre ceinture de sécurité mean? Fasten your seatbelt. Literature. What is the title of the 6th Harry Potter book? Ardenne.
Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince.
That's right. Art. Which artist created the work Café Terrace? Meadowbrook.
Vincent van Gogh.
In 1888. Correct. Bible knowledge. Jesus walked on what body of Meadowbrook?
Sea of Galilee.
Water. Correct. Biology. Specifically, where in the body are the sternocleidomastoid muscles which help with turning and nodding? Ardenne.
The neck.
Correct. English language. Which 9-letter adjective starting with F is derived from a French word meaning joke and has come to describe a joke with a little drop of sarcasm?
Next. Come, guys.
Facetious. International affairs. Who is the Brazilian president? Meadowbrook.
Jair Bolsonaro.
That's right. Chemistry. What is the color of neutral litmus paper? Ardenne.
Purple.
That's right. Music. What name did Nicki Minaj choose for her first studio Meadowbrook?
First studio album. Yes. Super Bass.
Correct. Pink Friday. The general knowledge, the capital of this island country in the eastern Mediterranean Sea is also known as Lefkosia. Give the name of the capital and the country. Nicosia and Cyprus. And that bell signals the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match. Scores look to be Ardenne High on 43, Meadowbrook on 40. We will, as usual, double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.